In this video, we're going over how to connect Apple Airpods to the Samsung Galaxy A20 or any other Android phone. Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the technology coming out and learn cool tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the bell next to it to turn on post notifications so you can be alerted every time we post new videos. We're going to keep it short and sweet and show you how to connect Apple Airpods to your Samsung Galaxy A20 and again, any other Android phone as well. What you're going to do is find the settings menu, generally by swiping down from the top of the screen and swiping down again. You should see a little settings wheel in the upper right corner here or somewhere up here, or you'll have a Bluetooth button. And if you see the Bluetooth button, you're going to go ahead and just hold down on Bluetooth button. So if you have the button, tap it. If you don't have it, you would go the long route, which is settings, and then go into connections, and then go into Bluetooth from here. So they both kind of lead you to the same place, but one is a little bit faster. I'm gonna quickly turn on the night mode so the screen will be a bit easier to see for the video. Boom. There we go. All right, connections, Bluetooth. So first thing you wanna do is turn on Bluetooth. And when you turn it on, it should automatically go into pairing mode and it'll start looking for new devices. Now what you're going to need to do is on the back of your Apple Airpods, there is a little button, which is very hard to see in the video, but basically on the back, so if you open the Apple Airpods, this is the front, flip it over, this is the back, and there's a little circular button towards the bottom that's kind of hard to see in this view, but if you have them in front of you, you'll see there's a little circular button. All you're going to do is hold down on that button. And if you look from this view at the top here, you're going to see there's a little light indicator. When you hold the button, that's going to begin to flash white on and off. So watch this. Let's hold the button for about a few seconds. White light, and now it's flashing on and off. We're going to go back to our phone here and hit scan, and it'll begin to look for new devices. And give it a second, and there it is. Wayne's AirPods. We're going to tap on that and give it a second, and now it's going to show in blue, which means that it is officially connected, and now we can use these to listen to anything or take calls. So that's it, we're done. So take them out, begin to have fun, but you're good to go. This is the same process you'd follow for any other Android phone, swiping down, going to settings or Bluetooth, and turning it on, going to scan, and just holding that little button on the back down for a few seconds to put it in the pairing mode. If the video was helpful, guys, return the favor and make sure you hit that like button and leave a comment down below and let us know if it was. Thanks again for watching. We're going to leave a link in the description below. If you don't have a pair of Apple Airpods and you want some, click on that link in the video and you'll be able to pick up a set from Amazon. Just that easy. Hope you guys found that helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care and have a good one.